Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an Amazon gift card via email. This is a fantastic way to send a thoughtful gift to someone instantly, whether it's for a birthday, special occasion, or just to show appreciation. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can complete the purchase seamlessly. After logging in, you'll be ready to start selecting your gift card. Next, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and type Amazon gift card. Hit enter or click the search icon to pull up the results. You'll see a variety of gift card options appear on your screen, giving you plenty of choices to find something that matches your style and the occasion. Browse through the result list carefully and click on your preferred gift card design. Amazon offers a wide range of options to suit different tastes and purposes. You can also filter your choices by selecting categories such as any occasion, seasonal, Amazon, appreciation, celebration, greetings, and memes. These categories help you narrow down the perfect design that resonates with your recipient. If you want to add a personal touch, you can customize the design by clicking on the pre-designed options. This allows you to tailor the gift card to make it feel more unique and special. Take your time here to explore the different visual styles available. Once you've settled on a design, it's time to select your gift amount. Click on the field labeled your gift amount and choose how much you'd like to give. Amazon provides several preset amounts, or you can enter a custom value depending on your budget and generosity. Now navigate to the delivery section and select email. This option ensures that your gift card will be sent directly to the recipient's inbox, making it a quick and convenient delivery method. It's perfect for last-minute gifts or when you want to surprise someone instantly. After selecting email, enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. Double-check the email address to make sure it's correct, as this is where your gift card will be delivered. An incorrect address could mean your gift ends up in the wrong hands or doesn't get delivered at all. Next, navigate to the delivery date section and click the calendar picker to select your preferred delivery date. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to schedule the gift card to arrive on a specific day, such as a birthday or anniversary. Choose the date that works best for your plans. In the right panel of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Buy Now. Click on this button to proceed to the checkout process. You're almost finished at this point, and Amazon will guide you through the final steps to complete your purchase. On the next screen, select your payment method from the available options. This could be a credit card, debit card, or any other payment method you have saved in your account. Once you've confirmed your payment method, click Place Your Order. This finalizes the transaction and schedules your gift card to be sent via email on the date you selected. And that's it. You've successfully sent an Amazon gift card via email. Your recipient will receive a thoughtful digital gift right in their inbox, ready to use on their next Amazon purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.